Alright guys, it's the new dance craze.
Ding, ding, ding.
You're gonna smack the thing.
I know. Ding.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Sit down, you might not handle it.
Okay. Let's be a fork in the garbage disposal. Let's be a fork in the garbage disposal. Wait! Stop! I dropped the contact! I found it! Let's be a fork in the garbage disposal. Let's be a fork in the garbage disposal. Really? Really? That's the best you guys can come up with? A fork in the freaking garbage disposal. Of all the songs that could be stuck in my head, that.
It's all bad.
Really?
How do you feel?
Very annoyed. Mr. Bear, how do you feel? You're such an idiot. Shut up, Mr. Bear. No one asked you.
Thank you for showing your dance. I'm sure the world will love it, and
Good.
we'll try to mimic it as best as we can.
Good. You should. I started it. Just remember. By my brother.